Is this another video about Uncle Roger egg fried rice? I've been there, I've done that in my last episode. If you haven't seen it, go and look for it. But today I'll be showing you how to make a golden egg fried rice with fresh cooked rice where every grain is coated with egg and properly stir fry to the best tasting. And I'll give you an amazing kitchen touch on this fried rice as well. So if you like the sound of that, make sure you stay tuned and see how it's done. I hope you enjoyed this episode of golden egg fried rice. See, this is the most basic fried rice. It's kind of like a fast food of the Chinese cuisine. It is quick and simple ingredients, quick to whip up, so when you're hungry, it's very easy to prepare. But because it only involves very few ingredients, so every ingredient must be top-notch quality. If not, you can easily taste it. So your egg, your rice, and even your seasonings, it must all be top-notch premium quality to make a very good tasting golden egg fried rice. See, this is not the same as Mr. Nigel Ng's egg fried rice, because he had a lot of fun with this egg fried rice, because this is truly a fried rice you can enjoy with your friends and family. Alright, I think that's about it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you like this episode, make sure you hit the like button and let us know what else you'd like to see on our channel. Okay, well, have a nice day. Enjoy.